GH Page TV on YouTube.
Men fan kasa ni agro. Me nim di America. Ubusa Kwame na yeda na. Kwame na yeda nim di obeka kire wo. E wa Amoako Atta ho. On a prophet bi kakraka bi okrom ha okoye manu su woni offices amofra branch bi free radio station bi sa brabe bo amna pepa mani woni su. O manu su ma so ya prophet. Entimi mmase komshafo yina ba ya atrofo ensi da bi ensi hey ye here prophet or system nim the fact say binu hye nkomfon no nkire say prophet e wo wiase mu ha nyina no sa na wote o ka kire TV Joshua say bra hwe na wan hye nkom biom 2014
na wo hye woni mbegu ase
na nkom bia wo be hye from 2014 eba na nim bia no woni mbegu ase TV Joshua nya 1.5 hours. I will not sort of say Hillary Clinton be winning election or top form say team. Amfa. Yeah, ma'am, 2016 election of Professor A. Amfa. A one chain say draw. Hey, Papa Kwaba.
I said it.
Akwaba.
We just so beautiful.
Bibi e boko de.
Boko.
Ya mechi ase wa na oka.
Yes. I was say your hand na even your time we say who watches the
watchman.
And you do baby who prophesied to the
prophet.
Is the most important thing.
Who watches the watchman? And who prophesied to the prophet?
Oh no, somebody must prophesy to him. As long as you're a human being, somebody somehow, I don't know, you're mature.
I love the word mature. Mature.
Say about ya upon he talk to the prophet and who said no. Yes, and you panty baby no boni tidin. And now babeka. You know what you are talking about. Send them a sorry, and I'm a cry at the whole church. Send them your messy. I must meet Prophet Owusu Bempa. Ne, answer the actual church. Oh yeah. Sure. I may cry the whole. You call me branch about. Now me cry say I was saying who papa no. Answer was free office. Any two car who bear 5 years me who no. Then Kasai. Tim come go catch and say my bad. All respect me and God bless you. God bless him so much. And I'm going to the office.
Otisako, when you meet him one-on-one, Owusu Bempa will be your brand and unless you meet him, who would that? We continue to see how you love the man. You love the man.
Jewish Owusu Bempa. And I'm saying idea for you now, and I'm timber about meeting about them, meeting about office, meeting about ye, meeting about baby. Meeting about them. Now meeting about them no. Obiaba obesu gate ya no bat me bawo dem na dem ho nyina nkania answer di na nkania ho bat o ho nkania ni ho but na han ho ena mi bu so obofo dem ba dem say aden na kania ni ha na han ho ena obofo say to ni hwa akonwa no to mani hwa akonwa no na ma mi bi si ho ena obofo ne ka chem so Owusu Bempa ne kania ene ne maame dan me ka cho so aka o ko aka kire wo maame.
Also, I don't have a fuck about the castle.
Oh, I'm so I catch my miss all my miss. When you are the again. Owusu Bempa, my minion near my was from China, Owusu Bempa on Yanidia. Oh, boy, they can't get on air. So, yes, and they come here and then mamma. Eji odi be free onana odi ne ko na so na sandboard no ye sidi kakere na kane eguso e na obofo nka cham say ne sandboard no tutoy ansa yetu but because odi 50 years na Bible mu di 50 years we say nyame restore according to the scripture. The Bible must interpret the Bible. Said
our Bible nim we di 50 years
so obi bia has to be restored. Odi kakere say the chow 50 years na nyame ehuni mabo. And yeah, somebody just see a man and yasam ketwa. It was soon.
Until now, can say so. Mine be this 60 years, sir. The mind should not have a president younger than the age of the country.
No, never.
Now when him saw cancer, I said, "No, me konya abotire, no me share the records of about 48 countries." Let me who say, "O man be 60 years one president no, penny change,
man." Because Bible say, "O man be that congregation be that, o mo di kan for ni yakwada che o man, o mo nwie." It is in the Bible.
Men kabio. This man, you don't know him well until you meet him.
And the catcher and say, "You know what? Well, what is some man? People feel say, I say, but problem started from there. Well, what do you decline? You did be so who's in person, Yassi. And not affecting our country now. Now, what is some habits in there? What's in her? Winima, just assembly or Winima, what kind of funny to the car?
Neni pe kasasa.
But was someone son.
Because madam for doctor be wa Bempa me hu nani na me ho atome enu akwadam se me body na yam se me malaria me do doctor me tell me have been telling him things so doctor say me okay but last we catch him so yare na dey so wa friend madam for doctor be so me here
oh me do someone son. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Now I understand.
Now you have to understand.
Now I understand.
Oh, you have to understand.
You are working something. Work it. Oh, Papa.
Oh yeah. You see, edu baby ya. Onipa biya ne obi a ya connect ne shebredi ama.
Eh.
Yeah.
Nipa biya. Obi a ya connect ne shebredi.
Oh yeah. Enuntina Edu nyame ebo ade no let the odu nipa so say let us make man in our image.
Let there be light, let there be trees, let there be sea, let there be the edu nipa so say let us.
In the school of humanity it takes two.
In the school of humanity.
Oh yeah.
It takes two.
It takes two me dofu. And the same you know afei you free in somebody na so sienko ye kwa asodum edu anso na Bempa ye worship no so hwe nanum. Me hwe nanum no. I say, Edu baby a ma na omuya prima for no. Omu wo ade bi omde se ye pinyo se denyo. Omde bom
afuruma no.
Omu furuma no.
Na bi kwad bi bom takrama so.
Ahona me ba no. Na bi bo. Odifo Owusu Bempa takrama so. Na ade na boni takrama so no. Aye nipa bi image na wo ho. Ebo so.
Somebody's image
in a bonnet
sitting on his tongue.
Yeah. And was say mpendo do akwa we guso a o kasa no say nipa we enkofem
Bentiase
obazem
kodip papa
president nana do ya ye image and the Owusu Bempa kire maso se nana akonyo obekoso atena so a enye nana hinye enyina electoral commission so nana hinye gina Bempa so enu Bempa was a trumpeter for Nana. Auntie, Omum Yana be boom a chum.
Oh,
a bedu baby, Nana Frisua, and Mr. Bempa who saw a young come. Con the Juma baby. Now, tell me, Sir Joshua Sham come on.
So by a trumpet.
Oh, yes, ye did this for the man. Ye did this for the man.
So na di ni 8 years we na okwa
no ende no so ende ni so ha ne ho bi
so be hyenkom
for what na djuma oba ya no djuma ba ya no oba ya no afu ya ye kasai asofo 10 ena nyame amu ombe Owusu Bempa di na dikan ntina nyame se ye wonkom bi ho a e so okoka kire nipa no dan ho so yeah but in Sri Lanka nyame say because on paboni ade achi no onyame a wipe sade na frio
so for ten na kona first
on wa first
so ono no hye nkom so obi be wu no
na da bia so obi be wu a unim so so betumi awu na wo se ko ya na wo ka sa ato man as I'm talking now, so I'm not careful. Ni so no, na didiemo, ni BBM, se oko kumasikuda. I was so far a flight. Owusu Bempa must be watchful every area of his life. I want to put it on record. Sanya sayet ya ibe won.
Jim Atata.
Oh yeah, near tone na what ye di kind. Now you're rushing to London.
No, you didn't know ya.
Ah, me say, Ghana, me to choir, them everywhere. So, be what? Say, come again. Say, dropping the Quran audition come to any Sunday.
So you saw a drunk, I
want to install him, you know, party see,
but then you drew.
No.
Okay.
Come also been punching your drew. That is the fact. Or if you remember,
oh,
and the mother is the backbone.
Ne mame. Otiase. Oh no, not the many.
Oh, no, Kenya.
Hey,
hi.
And you drew her, not Kenya any hall.
And so bright.
No, bright. No, who's obedient. I couldn't.
And I'm able to say, I'm not in a Kenya. Assume we and woman and a Kenya.
Ne mame.
Well, beat him here. Yeah, your mammy, you. Nipa be home, I mean, to tell you. You might be watchful. Yeah,
I think some come.
Oh, Nipa, you get a prophetic mountain. I done mammy and papa Nipa, you know, or me the baby. I will think your part time. It doesn't change anything. Just a Nipa, I made in man, no. Rejecting, and yes, I will. You rejection doesn't work because now I am not. Yana suddenly could have. No, made in a man. No. We must be very watchful.
Because I don't know, Casavi, no. Because ye, now my friend, now I'm saying, I say, when you're 17 years, okay, baby, I'm a dog call ye.
What?
Now I'm saying, I say, me refer to the big Kai, we run fear the anti Kai. Now me Kai Chrono. No, say you're calling me my way, then. Papa, you could do Chrono. No, Mamma, could you quench her baby? And I may try. Send a prayer camp be a floor or a walk or hokra. One my prayer tower for Kuhinta say,
or
Canta.
And now going to prayer was in by.
And baby, or mamma town or dimmy jar, mammy be. Meaning so my minister share who that was about many free you. Te come to me and my mena a manager, a manager and enmity. When I was 17 years, then be GSS. Eti oba na was Saturday na mso ma dan o say na betri ni ade no etwitwi kakra na mse ma na dan no so na me di ma sa twi ni na mente ase mi ni na mente ase
butu ho di ma
o se na me di ma cause ya ma mente ade ni mo ayi fin na masesa and I say 17-year-old guy mente ase mi nyini.
And that's all called business. Been time gaja so.
Also no abeba. But there's one thing about me ye bibi na me mami bufu me pe. The whole day. My life ye bibi.
Basa.
Yeah,
no I basa. No I off.
Anytime my mom is angry with me.
Okay,
I always make sure that my mom would never be angry with me.
Sure. Hey, serious.
Amoako Atta.
So who prophesied to the prophet? Now what was I saying? And what year back on? Didn't I say woman bomber to do it? I will be back.
Okay.
With the prophecy.
Okay.
And I'll be going deep.
Okay.
My baba multimedia.
Okay.
Multimedia I believe and thank God. So Wamuma kwa say me nonte ama nonte. And you am tumkako because there's something in this
media house.
Media house what? Just say pan kasiye so na oil term and on sonoma egu oil no. And a dragon ejina oil no. Obi obepie bia na dragon na pick no ato na twene. Only pa enka o sese o ye kasiye bibia go bro people what do you know? O ya no be ya no adoja say wo ma gina wo ma nko ya obi nko betima ya ore. We nyam fi your mother is your God. You are godless. Eti also anu afa oni pass a dragon di kan pick no temu a adumpie ye ayo abeku santana kabana wagidin 1,000 times 10 and the dragon pick him and throw him away. Oni pa toss me no Kofi Adoma okodi hene wonu kurum na ka de ne boba ba e no pick no he throw him away. Oni pa toss me ensa vim lady nka baba wa we ebe kwa tragana and we pick no and you throw you know we no bow so what you wa tra wa and we forget it because me tell you what you know as so no say dragon something must be done and that demon has to be cast out.
Medium slow.
Make a job info. As I'm para make a no. Said in your media grahage share. Ah, Nasafia was been got toy. 2019, I do my was and Crophobia war company Mamoko toy. Soon. I'm talking now. See ya. Yeah. But I'm talking now. I'm from Fanny Maniagra. Yeah, you do, baby. Radio station, you a TV be back so gun has Saturday no be at you, and no way. Opa 2019 was your toy. I don't hear your toy. It was soon. You don't do as I do and because you're caught toy. I didn't know your program gun in our never see my water at the bathroom. I've been one times I get home. What happened? Didn't see it. If you say no, you got on. Oh yeah. Mistake. I did a pure pine, and now all you tell me stars gum. This is the purpose in which I do FM establish here. It is the channel of greatness. It's the channel where I'm training Nipa Emma or did you know picking whom and coming to say what P a woman. And there was a dragon.
And it started with Command more boom.
Yeah.
Then he went.
But
then got back on also call BBC over here or Flagstaff House. No. No, okay. No, I understand.
There's a dragon. Oh, Jina. Who said, "Oh, shrimp and what?" Son, what to said your dragon so I to me to say no. Eh, one casa. Eh, papa. But it was here making sure that 2020. Yeah, yeah, bem. Said him on your casting out. Man, I make it. I will be back.
Okay. So we're back.
I will be back. Me yakon that's an accommodate. Now, then Tina a nipa okay. Yanko First Samuel chapter 10 verses 5 and 6.
First Samuel chapter 10 verses 5 and 6.
I na me ba na metie na I say Argentina do 31st and now come channel ebu bebiri sa se ekoba se enkom se nyina nipa nyina hye enkom ba ko emfiri nyame kwaje otirim sa
te nipa nyina hye enkom ba
ko a emfiri nyame
tina Pentecost wo hye enkom trasom bensa yesi de oba no mon san no
tem obon sama nyifiri wanse yeah tina Pentecost still snap to now I experience.
Now I got it.
Let the Bible
let the Bible interpret the Bible.
Now,
or say and watching
someone as so worry. Sure. Now, I casted your bear, the prophetic mantle will be manifest. Or say no watching.
Who bedrew Yankopon cook one home. I want the Felicity for Bensi for no one. Now, a beba say would do Chronumua. Who be share a deep for Safo. Also, who be share a deep for Safo. I was an every son from your home. Now, Bentanin Pinting, and a man as Senku, a do one and him. Now, was sham come and come out deep for no Bessiano, who be our own come out.
A deep for sorry, no deep for no Shishan come.
Almost Zankom. When I'm home the bar. Busha, but I begin and I'm Busha Bacope and Yagra. A deep one was some come. And yes, almost some come back. Because now the years said the day is coming and now is that the true worshippers shall worship the Father in spirit. Say, unto that and a deep for because you summon. I want to mean some come. 31st baby, Obi said them 7 days. Obi said them, so what I be seeing. Me born to tell me coffee, me some officer, me free hand and me coffee, me rum hockey. I didn't know because I could see Yamian Casa. To be it as here. Who be see di for na wo sem come
na Awurade honhom besi wo so.
Sa time no pe me de wona gu so but still honhom na mai. Awurade honhom besi so
na wone won na hyenkom.
Na wone won ma hyenkom.
Na wadane aye onipa foforo.
Wadane nti wo ko verse 11 na Bible say do be wo msa sa na da be na so be hyenkom.
Wasana wana wonim ne kane no.
Sorry
so ya tete.
Ehunu ne se wo hyenkom.
Na wana wonim ne kane na hu sa fei. Wono so hyenkom.
Ewo adifo no mu.
Ewo adifo no mu.
Akofo ne se won ho se.
Akofo ne se won se.
Ede ne de aye case ban ni mu.
Ede na aye case ban.
So Fredifo no mu ana.
E me ye be ye abubu. So Fredifo no mu ana. Na ko 1 Samuel chapter
19 verses 20. Wasana so suma abofo se.
So suma abofo se.
Won kofa David.
So also abofo. Ono so.
Oh yeah, ope David yakum no.
Na wo hunu adifo asafo no se.
Na wo hunu adifo asafo no se.
Wo hyenkom. Na Samuel ejina ho ehwe won so.
Bempong sene dia. Captain sene dia, pani sene dia, akete sene dia. We you do wa e wasa wo sa wo dia. We sia wo nyame na fa wo so akasa ehintase.
Se so obi so monitor.
No obi so monitor say ana bibia be frem. Ana say wo sia ne yakro gen.
Enti enkom say monitor.
Ya monitor that is why me busa say because up to now because nobody has prophesied to the prophets. And nothing like you repeating prophecies, you know.
Come share your monitor.
And come say a mature person, higher level person.
I say na Samuel jina ho ye dey.
Show on so.
Mo shenkom.
No more shenkom no the whole day. Someone better a for school.
Yeah.
The whole day, Juma mo ya no be a shenkom sa no monitor no tie ni obi e. No jina on segunechi akosunsun. And to hear the source of the prophecy. And how you are prophesying it.
Oh! That's what I wanna.
Now call call First King chapter 22. First King chapter 22 verse 24 to 25.
Okay, First Kings chapter 22 verses 22 to 25.
No, Amoako Atta. And of Freddy for you now by he never has Nanako.
Obedin
kunim and auntie I feel anything my kissing. And then you also fat or your mature chain Ahab or your soon nipa let happens
and come from winning.
I don't think I come I've been putting my money in ID for come that's still you're looking for another prophet.
Am I anywhere different in us and come away? They were still looking for another prophet.
Looking for another prophet because in common I don't know. I said no na yes sir. Somebody must dab into the heart of God. And yes, I your influence work. Hey. I'm come say where your political and come say. Mama you pay you free now. And I'm say waka me kaya. No so on some come papa. Into metano. And the rest of us go find them. Eti akwano e ko fa na ba no okwa no ka chenze he adifo nyina ahyem come back nti ukwa akwa the same thing and I say
ye na nyame aka
na mo obe hankam che na nyame aka nti okwa na aha no so wan aha ba ha so okwa no so aha nyame se ko na be dikunum abo hwa akwa ni no so san ko we wunhye bi da menim the way a wo hyem kom enti kosunsum na kanye efiri nyame ka kire me akonse mama menyom ya dinyum si so come on ta was it who say Israel after to say nyanya wo me hwefo na tieni
verse 24 ena kenana basedekia etwepini be bo meka asotro
na difo nyina the nation prophet etwe bae
be hwin wasum
I can say
ena o kan chen
hena urade honhom nam firi me nchen eko ka kire wo
first
ono wa hu say wa hye nkomtro hena honhom ne firi ya ba wo
interpret the Bible. And come say the bad here because we have sit down and analyze it. Watch it. Now say we know the sources from where.
And teacher say won't mean sham come say akase free nyame ya je this. Then come sham must first be monitored and it must be analyzed.
Analyze.
Oh. Oh.
Jim FM.
Oh. I feel the Mati Pentecost as well from Penny for now. We are near also be on the Brazil moment and quite as a convention about you. I say, I come say, ya tied the Kadika. I was a Jebby at your to one and say, and or to the do baby Anna on some or your quarter or Tom Bell. That's on a central region. That's a penny. Brian. More money in cotton, I say. Oh, monitor. Oh, monitor, who's idea? No, I pen. Jim FM. I'm on 40 just why I'm oh, when he come. Miss what be other? On the big count. On the big count. Wow. Oh, yeah. It is. I can't say you.
I was saying, if I never home every beshia way, and I make I can't say, share, and there will be 3 p.m.
What a there will be 3 p.m.
I call p.m. I call Huntano, and I will be
a there will be 3 p.m. The day you move from the chamber to the inner chamber,
that they will be seeing a meal. And no answer won't come to be different.
And the engineer Pierre first one, I want influence or
who can be the that is why I feel we know prophet must prophesy to the prophet.
First time I want a prophet in Agu.
Yeah.
So you have to go beyond.
Oh yes. To the spirit, because God is a spirit, and they that worship Him must worship Him in spirit and truth. And they do a number prayer word also. Now, First Corinthians, you can't Bible see. First Corinthians, it's now may work about.
And mid-morning time in a better.
Watch this. First Corinthians chapter 14 verses.
Okay, verses say. Na afei. Enuanom. Sa meba mo nkyɛn na mekasa kasa hodo. Na mena mo ankasa adiyie, ana nimdeɛ, ana nkomhye, ana nkyerɛkyerɛ mu a. Emfaso bɛn. And I'm being on my home. Now,
after 14,
verse 14. Was na se me bom paye kasa bi mu a. Me honhom na e bom paye.
What I say?
Na madwene de enso
aba. Prayer for we here for. O madwene ye adwuma. Paye mo wadwene ye adwuma.
Repeat one of you. Repeat.
I say, na se me bom paye kasa bi mu a. Me honhom na bom paye. Na madwene de enso aba.
Jim FM. Ordinary need empire no. Intragene to me quiet man swaba.
Listen, and Nasan the Calitina does a greater than Solomon is here. Until say Ghana for Bettina, ye be greater than Solomon
is here.
And to be what TMS all the Solomon method here, you want to obey your money bedin.
That's away a wapam dada na from the
Pasha Pam for Paul natural Corinth.
Bobompire is another one for Adrian Yajuma.
Now, young yes, me work
about Papa.
Yes, you know.
Okay, Matthew chapter 12, the verse number 42. Was it an affront from him, man? And on them may ever sorry at him wunimu. Now, what buon for? If we say, of us, I don't know why, but here Solomon answer. Nashe, dear Osini Solomon,
say your
Solomon, oh,
it will open to win as in Solomon, and then to know, whom you are so brutal 40, obedient, and yes, Solomon answer, or dear John, maybe I become as yes.
Solomon answer future by and woman for.
At that time, Solomon Yansan, nay, yet my neck and yet my beam, and not all culture say from 2,000 years urban, greater than Solomon is here. And Solomon method is no more working.
Hey!
Now, yes,
Matthew chapter 15. The verse number 32. Was I also friend as you for no? And was say one say, and for Koi, I am a mob. What? So what's not mentioned at was so nonsense.
What's trending time to answer there? Nansa. How many days?
3 days. Now, one need be a woody.
Can you imagine? Yes, you didn't have more say idea. Yes, you didn't home at any fluff when you know. Then you pay go out of Blimpong, a Gianni. Come and do one because I'm Pendu out the home of Yajuman, 1 guinea a Yajuman.
David Tobo. And Pendu out the home a Yajuman. And I didn't about so I want to come up as well upon your coffee until I'm upon Pesamakum. It's a home in a bar. I didn't know. German now, so my dear, say, man.
me wie na hu se kom de
nessa ade na kodi soro ti enya wadwen
nya adwuma nti be wadwen so anya adwuma akom be de for 3 days ni Yesu hu musa o sane say wom na ofre so afọ no say hey my mistake enkrofo say o moti 3 days o mu ni die na so o mu ye me mobo na say ya
o se na woni bibi a wodie nanso mempese meja won kwan amode yafunu pan akoro
and afiwe 2020 say so for bi a chi nipa gu ason dem from 70 year police for nkwache no because o mo say o man no
say so for
a chi nipa gu ason dem from 7 o'clock to 4 o'clock etwa so a ye nkwache no come on what man na religious people
Jim FM.
From an past of your Bempa, a could be in 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Say, oh, yeah, then away all. Then away all. And you pano, and you pay a son down man who be arguing Yajuma because Omutian comes here, who be arguing Yajuma because Omutia direction you are sick. So for you are sick. Next year, your children on your wedding.
Jim FM.
Yes, you say, Sammy Joe, my own better Tobaha,
or say Sammy Joe mo kwan ye funu pan ya or better Tobaha
or yes, echo finti open cassie.
Yes, yeah. Ofia Simesi wedding as no 20 year. Or call we program but no
Juma for 1 month as what 1 pen I will be better than 150. When you never want more finti until you meet 1 my way, you're much chilly. You see, a Juma. Yadrining, Yajuma, Yadjini, and young Fassia Yajima Yajuma. Yadi home there Yajuma, Yatem Humati. Now be Matthew chapter 12, but that's one said here.
Matthew chapter 12, the verse number 1. Was an Ebrenuno, years ago for Brufu be moved. Nana, a come in a share for what could say Busha, Koye, a Paya, won't be a free bush, nothing come to. No, if it's a pen, Pam met him in Berry, no. A year, Nepal years, waiting on more Yaburu, woman yada yanto.
Yarina mono, a community, and not get the best of a protein.
Oh, yes. Anybody, yes, waiting is one body from them. If you want, I said, the Guinea, a year 2020, never be Timia for 1 guinea.
Out of the spirit, the brain must work.
Out of the brain must work. And yes, Paul said, "Me can't tell Corinthians for say, some what the moment one year you my mom profit for nothing. What the home quiet Juma and for so be any so. Go what Jin Yajuma greater than Solomon
is here.
Greater than Solomon is here. Now, before no, na what you say, Yami bo nipano, na a location, occupation, and education.
Nyame bo ni pawi
no
man location no man occupation and no man education
Genesis chapter 2
ewo ho
Jim FM
Genesis chapter 2
I'm working it.
Work it. Genesis chapter 2, the verse number 7. Or say, already you go point the doctor, you know, nipa. Don't come home, go in him, or nipa your crati as a fork. Now, already you go point ye true be, I will aid in a web for your fem. Now, or do nipa, you know, at now,
occupation, location,
and occupation.
Now, already you go point, and you would do in our fair. Now, ASO would give you first as son of Sylvester. Now, as you be afraid in before true, no, verse 15. Now, already you go point the onipano could do.
Location.
Or didn't could do
and what didn't could do
so on no
occupation education.
Wow.
Let the Bible interpret the Bible.
It is the captain is starting here. Only Panshi now it is your location, your occupation,
and education.
And some wabobera. When you pass us and had any safety, and I feel by education, occupation, and location. And your education will give you a better occupation.
Sure.
And the occupation will give you a better location.
Free home na nyame de ma wonim
say you free home
and also person but ni party bi
oh yeah
and say wadwen
say we say nimdie ni nimdie bia na fa ansa nka na mafidi
yeah
When you put in second, I'm so okay. So do a second in Diana, the day is coming now is. We name the Yaso and I never bobra.
Because someone who free.
Because someone who two side in Diana. Now, Teteno, na a ye, Tiaman. Say 2020 I have. So be I think I know what Tim said, Yansan Fuemu and Yajuma. Would the Yansan the kind of Yajuma?
Hey.
The days of Yansan Fuemu come. And no, that is the difference between Africa and Asia. Asia for the in the four Abedikan.
No, for that tower, no much.
Yes, because what the nim near no and the Woodinia. Yeah. Now, dear Yansa. Near Ubenyano, what in Indiana? And he says, so you use the knowledge to acquire the wealth and use the wisdom to sustain it.
Oh!
Log on to ghpage.com for all the trending entertainment news and more, and subscribe to our YouTube channel GHP TV for all your trending videos.